I am so excited for this unboxing. So on the heels of the opportunity that I had 2 weeks ago where I sat down with Mr. Chris Pack, the designer for Sandast, I have a very, very special unboxing for you. I am so excited about this, I can't even tell you. Sandast, if you're not familiar with it, we'll talk while I unbox, because you know I unbox slow. He is somebody that has an extremely loyal following, and has a desire to be the best that he can be. He doesn't have a desire to get every single one of his bags into every store. He has a humble desire to make the best that he can. And I think a lot of people are drawn to that. If you get a chance to watch the interviews with him, I think what comes across is just a very, very sincere person talking about his passion of leather. I'm also going to mention that this box is wrapped really well. So we're going to have a chance to chat while I go through and unbox it without slicing my finger open. So one of the things that struck me about Chris and about Sandast is the level of detail that goes into every bag. We talked about how it's, at this point, every bag pretty much has been done, right? There's a tote out there, there's several totes, there's backpacks, but there aren't ones, you know, that have the level of detail that he wanted, and he sought out to create that. And I think that's what really shines through about Sandast quality. It's just the fixtures and the finishes, the detail on the brass rivets, etc. So without further ado, let's get into it. I'm so excited. Packed extremely well, bubble wrapped. You know I'm kind of a freak about packaging. Like, I want it to really sing, because I think it means that the inside product is amazing. So let me slide back. Here it is. I feel like such a nerd because I can't stop smiling because I'm just so excited about this. Let's get into it. This is a bag that was designed initially for Blake Lively to be her baby bag, not so much diaper bag, but baby bag. And they aren't babies forever, and they need to move on from us, sad as that may be. And that gave birth to the James Tote, because when we move out of the baby bag phase, we need something a little more petite. This is, oh my gosh, this is their brand new design, the James Petit, and I'm dying. I need a minute. This is weird because I should be talking to you, but I just need a minute. Holy moly. Okay, so two things that I just got to show you, even though I should really just be unboxing. Speaking of rivets, hopefully you're getting that. There is their logo stamped right onto the rivets. And check this out. Handmade, emblazoned on there with the date. It's, wow. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys. I'd like to give you more details, but I'm sort of stunned here into silence. This is absolutely beautiful. Their signature plaid inside. Stop it. Stop it. And we talked at length about these and the depths that he went through to make sure that these were solid brass and not plated. They are 100% if you could feel this weight. Holy moly, look at this bag. This is the James Petit. We aren't done. This is a very exciting unboxing. I'm sure you could tell that from the cheesy smile on my face. Where would I be if I didn't do a comparison video for you guys? So what's new and what's changed from the original James Tote? Well, I gotta get the James Tote if I'm gonna tell you. Let's get in here. Sandast is one of those things that you can't ever explain to somebody about the bag until you see it and touch it. Because you just can't. There's no substitute for the leather or the design. This is amazing. So this beauty. This is the original James Tote. Crossbody option, zipper in the back, magnet in the front. Look at this. This excites me to no end. Check that out. Number 1 of 100. Hopefully you're getting that. But this is my unboxing. This is the James original. Her little sister, the James Petit. Stay tuned for a comparison and a full review. Thank you so much for watching. Cheers to Sandast.